couple top stories. First is on NASA predicting a huge gamma ray burst in 2018 due to the close approach of two stars. Details at the link found below. Luckily, the pair is about 5,000 light years away, so I guess technically we're just waiting for its arrival.
Okay, so what you heard was from NASA, which said there was going to be a gamma ray burst. I don't believe they said why. I explained when, was it Comet Ison that went around the sun and turned into a flying V and zipped off? Hopefully, yeah, because I did a video on that. And I basically compared it to an atom electron going back to its nucleus to get more energy. Because it's a loop, as you can see. It's a circuit, an electrical circuit. When it gets pushed out, it has just been given energy, a gamma ray burst. There was a discharge between the nucleus and the electron. Energy was given to it to send it back out into its orbit. There is no up or down in space, and the universe is electric. So what it is doing when it goes past the sun is there is a lightning strike, a gamma ray burst from the star to the object in the circuit. Now, when the asteroid or comet, Isis, I believe it was Isis, I might have the name wrong, but it's the one that went past the sun and they turned off the cameras. They even said, oh, we had them pointed in the wrong direction, we don't know what we were doing. Stupidest lying answer that I've ever heard. They didn't want you to see what's going on, and that was the fact that there was an energy discharge from the sun to the comet. That's why it turned into a flying V, which is exactly what comes out of a CME, and it's exactly how a railgun works, and it's exactly how flying inverted Vs zip through smoke in a cigarette. If you hold a cigarette, it will form a double helix, then it will make a railgun function, which is the Lorentz effect, and it will shoot an inverted V through the middle of the smoke. That's an electromagnetic railgun because a cigarette gives off radiation. It is radiating pulses of electromagnetic energy. So, as this object goes around this star, it's on a circuit, an electrical circuit. When it loses energy, it comes back to the source. There is a discharge from the star. It is energized into the object that is passing, and it is shot out into its higher voltage orbit. So go and see if NASA says that, because I don't believe that they do, because they've got no idea why these things happen, because they're still believing in gravity fusion universe, which is a bit of a joke, really. The universe is electric, and go and see their answer. See why they say it's going to give out a gamma ray burst. I say because it's electrical, and just like the Ison comet that we weren't allowed to look at as it went past the close approach on the sun, it gained energy, which is why Ison flew off in a flying V, and this object is going to zoom back out into space because it just gained energy, and so it's thrown, ejected into a higher orbit. Thanks very much. The universe is electric. My name's Lee, and I'm a Christian.